this tunnel. We're gonna cross the street to the other side, and we are going to have a very delicious, actually my favorite street food here in Istanbul. And let's check here. This is also another street food. This is called Islak burger, and this is, I guess, Islak hot dog. Islak means wet hamburger. Okay. This is another street food called midye. It is the what is it? It's kind of a dolma. We don't have it in English, the word. It's delicious. I like it. Here is image, I guess. This is I am Czech, actually. It's kind of a mall if you want to buy musical instruments, if you want to buy curtains, if you want to buy different types of parquet. You can come and buy it from this mall, actually. I like it because of this musical instrument things, especially about the pianos. So we are going to walk through this mall, this bazaar, and then we are going to get to the place that we want to eat lunch. This one has traditional instruments like sitar. Do they have sitar? I don't know. Oh. Is this Yeah, I'm enjoying it very much. from this street. Of course, this is one way from the other side. You can go directly to the Süleymaniye area. There are also lots of cafes and nice restaurants there, and like kind of a souvenir shops. We will go some other time there. So now we are arrived to the place that we are going to have one of the famous street foods here in Istanbul. This is Unkapanı Pilavci. Before, the first time that I came here, it was actually here. And there were like plastic tables and chairs, and it was really a street food. But now they have like big restaurants inside of the shopping mall. So we are going to go inside and we will check and we will have their delicious Tavuk Nuhut Pilav actually. I don't know. Peas with the rice and chicken. So we're here. Now we are arrived to this delicious pilavci. Let's go inside. So this is the pilavci. If you can show it. So this is.
İki piper. Arkadaşlar iki piper toplamaya. İki piper toplamaya.
Oh, by the way, you have it with this, with the ketchup, and with this delicious pepper. I don't know what it is. Pickles. They call it turşu. Sorry. Teşekkür ederim. Çok sağ olun. So, afiyet olsun. Bon appetit. So that's it for today. I'm gonna use again the public transportation to go back home. I will write it in the description that if you want to come from different areas, what kind of buses you should take. But another thing that I want to say, if you like this video and you enjoy this type of videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and also support me with your likes and comments. And of course, please write in the comments if you want me to go to some other neighborhoods to check some places. And also if you have, I don't know, any idea, opinion to get these videos better, I'm really looking forward to hearing from you guys. And see you in another video. Bye bye.